application from the Google Play Store. So just search for the application and install it. Once it's downloaded, tap Open to open the application, and in the upper right corner you'll see an icon that looks like a micro SD card. Go ahead and tap that, and you'll see that it says that you have no external storage device detected. So now you just need to plug your thumb drive into your device. You'll notice that on my S22 Ultra it was recognized as USB storage, but on my Pixel 5 it wasn't recognized at all. If this happens to you, hold down your notification shade, and you should see a notification saying there's an issue with your USB drive. You can go ahead and tap to fix that, and it'll ask you to format the USB drive. Now before you format it, it's important that you understand that all of the data that's currently on that thumb drive will be erased. So make sure you back up all of that data before you format it. Once the drive is formatted, you should see the USB storage option. Go ahead and tap that, and SmartSwitch will search through all of the data on your device to find everything you can transfer. Once it's done searching through your phone, you'll get the option to transfer everything, just accounts, calls, contacts, and messages, or you get a custom option where you can select exactly what you'd like to transfer. For now, we're going to select custom so I can show you guys exactly what you can and can't transfer. So now I'm going to tap next, and I'll be able to be very specific in what I want to transfer. The first thing I want to point out with this USB method is that you can't transfer quite as much data as you'd be able to if you had both the old and new device right next to each other and could connect them directly. However, you can still transfer the vast majority of data with this USB method, and I'll show you guys the extra things you can transfer by connecting both the old and new devices directly to each other in a minute. So at the top, you get the option to transfer all of your calls and contacts, and this does include call history. You get the option to transfer all of your messages, and if you tap this little icon on the right, you can select whether you want to transfer all of your messages or just messages from a certain time period. You can also transfer all of your applications, and if you tap the arrow next to that, you can select which specific apps you do and don't want to transfer by checking or unchecking these little boxes. And at the top, you get the option to deselect or select all of your applications. Galaxy Wearable is an option that